One is my Ronion. Actually, we bought it March this year. I prepare it all the time when I'm coming. Liliona has done almost the position one, doesn't have the position two. Already position one. So when I come in, I prepare it a lot. I'm taking all my efforts to it because I know I'm trying to keep the pace of to be number one all the time. So Skawibona is very clean. We're still gonna prepare it again. There's dust, katas, we're still gonna polish it, engine, still gonna polish it, the brake things, the chrome things, so that it must be pashash when it's getting there, so that it's smooth. It's prepared for number one again. I hope you will get it as my wish is to keep that position one.
Ngihamba ngesikweleti namuhla imoto lehlaliwina lehlobile umdlalo wemandi kimi ongende ngahlangana nebafowethu ngalokuthi bebasibita ngabomageza but nyalo sebasithanza abantu yabona ngiyabona ukuthi nebafowethu labanye lendo kancane kancane bayilo futhi nalokuthi imoto tethu ihlala ehlobile naloko kuyasikhuthaza nalokuthi majita asithathe serious yabona nalokuthi thina esikhule ukuthi bo taxi driver sithanza abafati yayibona and momagezi empompini but mabasibona senalendo emidlalo wemandi bayacishe bayasonzela kithi basibuthi ukuthi senda ngani yayibona njengemagala limele kunzima la kule game but ikusalaho konke kuhamba kahle ekugcineni.